Hello friends, I am back with another informative video. Currently, the Palestine and Israel conflict is very uh, current on the news these days. But I was really surprised by this video of Israeli tanks being fired upon by RPGs, and maybe the tank crew was caught unaware, but on the theory, it seems impossible that RPG could take out a main battle tank. Uh, so their crews are being dragged out, and this one was maybe someone can confirm me. This one seems to be a real video, but this second one video is confirmed by this channel also that it was a training video, and the way the explosives were used in this video, I don't think that on every breach across the Gaza uh, uh, enclosure that Israel has put on, they have used this method, but it could be one of the method employed to remove the barriers. So, beside these two videos, I want to also, after listening to the IDF spokesperson and other variety of medias, I am uh, quite not sure that once Israel uh, vacates from Palestinians that northern part of Gaza, uh, below that river point, uh, I don't think Israel will resettle back this Palestinian, because this Gaza Strip was already surrounded by illegal, according to the international law, the illegal Jewish settlements were there. So why would, if Israel gets an open area and it will give back to Palestinians? I don't think so. That's why they are also trying that across the Egypt, there are the border crossing becomes open, and there maybe they will have new refugees camps. So I don't see, though it's very sad, but I don't see any prospect of Palestinians going back to that part of Gaza, because the policy of Israeli state is to have more settlements on those areas. So why would they return Palestinians back to those places? So overall, uh, I see that plan that no one is discussing today, because when it will be put into action, after that, a lot of people will discuss on the TV channels also. But I don't think so at this time. Maybe many people know, but they are not discussing uh, because it's it may put into question their whole operation. So that's all for now. I will be back with another informative video soon. Take care.